chimney, hands. Sing it. You know, every day. Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are having a blessed day. So we are back and up and running. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs that I've been sending out. Yeah, so we are actually on our way out right now. It is the weekend, so we want to get up and get out and go do something. We only have what, kids them have like 2 weeks left of school, till school, sorry. So kids them got 2 weeks left till school. So yeah, you know, it's about that time. You gotta get the back to school shopping done and all the other stuff. Are you guys ready? There's some stuff on the garbage on the floor.
What do you mean?
Okay. What is that you guys are making that's on the floor?
Because she made grilled cheese this morning.
All right, so your girl is ready. Well, obviously Mr. Memphis is staying home as usual because this boy in this game. So it's just gonna be
my dragon's on a C+.
the girls and Mario and I going out. So yeah, we are getting ready to go. And my phone is still not working.
It's gonna be
mine. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go see if I can get that looked about and try and get it fixed. If not, then your girl is gonna have to get a total new phone. And boy, I do not want to fork out that much money on a new phone, but I need a phone. So because right now not having my phone is putting me behind within a lot of stuff. But yeah, your girl is just, oh, what am I looking for? So yeah, I guess I will get back to you when we are leaving. All right, your girl is ready to go. Oh, I know, we finally got the garage organized. Again, really? It's not working. Oh. So, oh boy, let me just sit this here. We got the girls them in the back. So we are heading out. We don't know where we're going yet, but yes, Miss Faith.
Is he be blowing as possible? I told him that you guys were in the house because they're bugging us. Thing on the doorbell.
Yeah.
About plant something. So yeah, I like my parents are.
Those look like kids.
Those aren't kids.
Oh.
They're adults.
So yeah, so we are on our way. Well, I guess I don't know where we're going yet. I think we're going to the mall. But
anything they on 4 foot cute. What is wrong with you, man?
Nothing's wrong with me. It's just I like puppies.
that was not a puppy.
Well, whatever.
That's a big
So ugly
dog.
sitting when me see you going to talk about, oh, cute. That's a puppy. Come nice. Oh, cute. You what you do, blind? Something wrong with the item? I see me see one man out there. Me see wait.
I say man pan the floor is the one where say my goat man. I be like, oh, that's cute. Oh gosh. Well, yeah. I guess whatever reach. Oh look, they're going away. They're going to. I guess everybody's going to their cottage. They're spending. Everybody just is the last couple of weeks. Pretty much we have this weekend, next weekend, and one more weekend. So, which will be another long weekend for us.
No,
so
me just come in. Where me I go? Eh?
Drive.
Drive way.
Mwah, love you.
Hello.
Hello.
No more driving minutes now.
You don't get through.
Me just go run this and turn back.
Babes?
Outside, no go.
What do you mean?
Me take taxi go back yard.
You think you can afford taxi or pay no expensive taxi?
Go far.
Oh gosh, we're not going far.
Well, me not go far either.
You see your face? You just keep talking to her. You undercover that, you know?
Oh.
This one, I think. It's either that or he's trailing him. Watch. It's either one or the other. And then his flash is gonna put on the light soon. Oh, Etwana, let's go. Faith, really? Get up. Okay guys, so we have reached the mall. well, I guess that's where we're ending up. So we're doing a little bit of shopping. They're starting the back to school shopping for the kids. So that is what we are currently at the mall going to do. This looks so clear. Yeah, I don't even know what that one is doing there. Gumballs. Okay, so okay, so you got these ones?
What are these? It's a mini.
They're crayons, markers, different kinds of crayons. Because if you guys have projects to do and you want to write,
These are the fun markers.
but these are planted ones too. These are planted ones. They're just
Oh, they're scented.
they're just longer.
Washable.
I don't think you and Memphis can probably split that.
What?
You want to get glue? Here, I'll get this just in case. Dividers.
Oh, for one thing I know, I need a binder because my own broke.
Yeah. Did you want to get, or did you want to get the small ones?
Those ones are too big.
Okay, we'll get that. Get that one as well. Is there really else?
No, run.
And now run. If you take off one. Here, look.
I want that one.
Okay. I'll get you these and this. Where's the other stuff?
Oh, binders.
Just 6 foot.
There might be another crown. Not that one.
Are you getting, do you have a miracle? Do you still have your miracle last year?
Yes.
So these are stuff for laundry. Are you looking? So hey guys, we are back. Oh, I'm exhausted. It's pretty much night. So I'm going to go look about something quick for dinner. And we are having a movie night. So yeah, so that is what we're up to.
No,
so I'm going to put on some food right now, something quick.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we got chips, dip, all that good junk food night and movie. So that is what is up for the night.
Be good.
Yeah. And ooh, we're gonna have some mix, some pina colada.
Mom, this is
So
pink.
that's what we are doing.
Yeah.
Yes, so I'm already here. Dinner's already been made. Your girl is just cooking up a storm quickly. The girls then went to go shower. Yeah, so the girls then went to go take their shower because they didn't end up showering before we ended up going out. So they're taking their shower. Mr. Williams over there. And there's some of the damages to some of the back to school stuff that we already started getting. So we still have quite a few more stuff to get, but at least we were able to go out and run and get some stuff for the kids before I know the rush has started, because we were in the store and the store is quite busy, and I hate leaving things to the last minute, and well, we're getting down to the wire. We have exactly 2 more weeks till the kids then go off to school, so I want to try and get as much as I can out the way, because everybody will be back again, busy and on the go. So yeah, to all those that don't want to start school yet, enjoy your little 2 weeks, and to all those that are already going to school, well, I hope you guys are enjoying your first week and maybe second week back. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. But yeah, I'm just, and all the snacks and stuff are about for later. Okay guys, well, dinner is finished, the plates are dished, and we are about to eat and watch a movie and call it a night. So we will talk to you in the next one. Peace guys.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and